Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips. Colorx is a very useful tool to quickly create numerous color stories on a given image of any product.
With the increasing demand for digital presentation, Colorx immensely helps to reduce the sampling, and also helps to communicate your color ideas across the board during product finalization. The whole concept starts with a quick replacement of colors.
We take an image to demonstrate.
The bag material has a texture that can be seen by zooming up.
Color replacement is a simple drag-and-drop process.
The colors for replacement can be dragged from the loaded color palette.
You can create your own color palette and use it for color replacement.
Let's now replace color of the bag.
Adjust the tolerance bar to include range of different tones of the image color.
Also adjust the brightness bar to match light effects of the new color with the image color.
Colors are replaced, keeping the texture and light effect details in the original image intact.
Once the colors are replaced, you can quickly create numerous color stories. Let's demonstrate.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on.
You can save the color replaced image as a reusable design.
The saved design can be loaded anytime later for color replacement.
Let's load a saved design whose colors are already replaced. This is a color replaced photo image.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories. You can save any image of your choice by right-clicking on that image and selecting the Save Image option.
Let's save a few images.
Let's view the saved images.
The image gets saved along with its color chips for further communication.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.